It's always a good time for video, eh? Just had an inspirational moment that I want to share with you, and that is about a picture. I'll have to probably read it to you. It's basically about an eagle flying in the sky, that the only bird that will peck at an eagle is a crow, and it's a nice picture of a crow on the eagle's back. And what the writing says is the eagle doesn't even bother to peck back or bite or fight the crow, even though the crow is a lot smaller. But what it does is it simply flies to greater heights in the sky until the crow finds it hard to breathe because of the oxygen level. So then it'll just do its own thing and fly away. So the motto of the story was don't stoop to other people's the motto of the story, I think, from what the writing says, is fly high and drop those behind or drop those below who aren't really at your level or something along those lines. But what really stands out to me so much, bursting from my heart, is, and I thank the Arcturians, the Arcturians, for helping me to learn this and to integrate it, to process it, is we are a Earth collective consciousness, and we're in a galactic or a cosmic collective consciousness. We're all in it together, and we're all intertwined and interconnected. It's not about dropping in behind or beating anyone, or sorry for the noise, my friends. It's just a problem with this sensors after the rain. But yeah, it's not about outdoing or dropping those we evolve beyond, or it's not about they're a nuisance, I'm just going to drop them, because that can be an interpretation that what an annoying nuisance they are, I'm going to drop them, let's leave them behind, they're just pestering me, annoying me and pecking at me. And because a lot of people obviously in our life who are less awakened or not as awakened as us or less healed, is that all it is a level of maturity or development. It's just like a child. That's what I said in the post. Well, there can be a very heart-centered, compassionate way of viewing this, where we love and respect and honour anyone who is more advanced or evolved than us, or less advanced and evolved or mature than us. Funny enough, here's a nice little pigeon on the road. But yeah, it's about sweet gracefulness and honour and integrity. So we're less mature than others, and others are less mature than us. And that's okay. So really, as a collective consciousness and an earth consciousness, here's the sunrise. Yes, this is where I'm going to. It's about we're all in it together, my friends. There's a lovely quotation that I love. We rise by lifting others. So usually when you have a sense of lifting others, if they get higher than us or we go lower, but no, we rise by lifting others. So even with the cabal and the deep state and all that sort of stuff, it's not about beating them or outdoing them. It's not about a fight per se. It's not. It's from the heart and from a higher frequency, 5D and beyond. It's about we're in it, one love, one family. We're in it together. It's one consciousness, one cosmic and earth consciousness. We're all interconnected. So if we try and hurt or smash or beat or trample down another, we are in a way doing it to ourselves, and we're also perpetuating the frequency of potential anger or retaliation, violence, anger, wanting to hurt, that type of non-heart vibrations. So this is super important, very touching and heartfelt message to me. We rise by lifting others, and we want to bring everyone with us. That's what I learned from the Arcturians too. We want to bring others with us. So if anyone's on a lower frequency, because don't forget, we're lower some days of the week than we are on other days, and we're lower than many other advanced ETs or other humans as well. So it's not about I love that sunrise. It's not about as outdoing or competing or winning or beating others. It's about going together and, as if possible, inviting and holding hands to each other, or welcoming others to come with us. So that's love, my friends. I swear to God, it's love. I swear to God. I swear to consciousness. I swear to the great creator, great spirit. But for real, usually I cycle this way in the morning, but unfortunately my saddle, the plastic bag that covers it, got scraped open by the thorn bush, which I lean against my fence bike. And then all the rain got in, and my overnight is frozen solid, rock solid, stone cold saddle. So yeah, my salad was nice yesterday, but it wasn't stone cold or frozen. Don't like frozen salads. But yeah, I hope this video helps, my friends. It's such an important message, it really is. We are the leaders and the way changers and the showers. We lead by example, and we want to be the good role model so others can learn how to emulate in their own unique, special way. Sorry, my friends, it's a bit of a bummer for the video that noise. I apologise. Usually I'd make it in nature, but I just thought, why not make a video when I'm driving? So yeah, I hope this video helps you to incorporate more heart-centered frequency and vibes into your life, and have more compassion and care for those who are sick, unwell, disabled, disconnected, or less developed and less mature than you, which is a blessing if you feel you're more like mature. We all have a lot more maturing and elevation of our consciousness to go, my friends. We haven't arrived. Well, we have arrived, but we haven't, like, you know, we're not like the finished article of perfection when we look down on others. Like, God, our source, the great creator, doesn't look down on us, even though it's like the most advanced being out there. We are his, her, its children. So in the same way, we want to have loving respect, like, on the people who are less like conscious in any moment, or even in general in life. The people who some people might call asleep or unaware. We want to have like tender, delicate compassion and graceful respect and integrity and honor and love for these people in the same way as we would for our own child who's like only maturing at its own age. Like, it could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, whatever the age is. And we want to foster and nourish these beings, any beings, in the same way as we would like to be treated. If we're like developing and making mistakes, you learn by making mistakes. If I make mistakes, I'm learning, I'm developing. I am not the finished article, even though it's perfect where we all are at. But I want to be fostered and guided and loved and cared for and treated with respect and honor, including for my mistakes. Now, so that's all I really want to say, my friends. And that doesn't mean we have to like just take abuse. Of course, we can self-care and self-love come first, and we want to try and change the systems of the world by being the role model first in our own personal life and perpetuating that energy of peace, love, compassion, forgiveness, kindness. We gotta be the change first, my friends. How I love this message so much. Now, how can we do this? What do you think, my beautiful friends? Let's get out here. So yeah, this is what it's all about. Frozen puddle. Let me just get the majiggy. Where's the majiggy? It's in my pocket. So yeah, usually I have the most sensational like start to my day where I cycle in here and I just get to sun gaze and oh yeah, baby, I just love it. Just love it so much. So this is what I want to bring on my trips. Now I cycle through the forest. I go through 2 forests each morning. That one forest there, then that forest. But today I didn't because my frozen salad that's ice cold. And then I go down there and I sun gaze. But today I'm sun gazing here, so I don't miss too much of it. Yeah, loads of love, my friends. Thanks for watching. Have a beautiful day, and please do hit the like, share, and subscribe button, and comment as you wish, any combination. Support the channel, support the message, and let me know you still want me to keep making videos. Let me know you're interested, and if you have any video requests or such topics, let me know and I'll make a video. Heaven. And check out my links below for either like discount on my herb store, Higher Self Herbs, for coaching, relationships, health, or overall healing and empowerment, as well as any of my books on my website, owenfox.org. And I'd love to hear from you on social media and befriend in my social media links. And I'd love to either collaborate or connect. Thank you, beautiful soul. Love you very much. Have a great day. Have a great now moment always.